Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back doing my hair. I have this really pretty body wave V-part wig from UNice. So we're starting off with the content that come inside the package as well as the V-part itself. I did dye this. It came like, as you can see, like a natural 1B dark brown color, but I recently dyed my hair jet black, so everything got to be jet black from here on out. So this is just me installing the V-part wig. So easy when I have a braid down. It's so flat and it's just easy to wear, you know, without having to worry about like my hair in like a ponytail or just loose in the back. This is just so much secure. So I love this. I also love that this is body wave texture. By the way, this is 24 inches. It is a body wave texture, but as you can see, this is the most wavy body wave I've ever had. It's still a little damp, but dry, it looks exactly the same, and I love the natural texture of this. Since my hair is still a little damp, I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry it because I am going to curl it today. I want some real cute, like nice, seamless body waves. So I'm just going to curl it with a curling iron. So yeah, just keep watching.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside.
And it's me trying to cool the curl in my hair. And the hair is extremely hot, but as you can see, the curls are nice and bouncy and shiny. Like this hair is so shiny, it's so soft, it is just such a pretty texture.
All the niggas brown, right in it, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas brown me, right in it, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just do on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find a combination. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. outside and that right outside. BEAUTI, 2 time, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, 'cause it's flying right. 2 time, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
I believe that all of your dreams are durations. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me that, 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 that. So me by that work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you still.
So I'm just adding some hair sheen to my hair at the top so it can be as shiny as the extensions, and I love that for me. The curls are so cute. They came out so perfect. So I'm just brushing through them with a paddle brush, and that's mainly because I like my curls to look like one big wave. I like mine clumped together. So if that's not the look that you want to go for, I definitely wouldn't recommend combing through it with a paddle brush, maybe like a wide tooth comb or like just finger combing the hair. But for me, I like, you know, that cute like Hollywood wave look, and then because my hair is a little short in the front, it kind of gives like a little bang effect, like I gave it some layers even though I didn't. But here's the other side. I'm just using the exact same hair spray. It's just like a oil sheen spray, but like a dry oil spray. This texture from UNice is so pretty. Definitely need this in bundle form because yeah, you see the content, you see the quality, and it looks so good jet black. It's just something about jet black hair that just looks so natural and so shiny. It's so healthy. That's what it looks healthy, okay? But yeah, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Real cute, sweet styling video. Um yeah, I'll be sure to link all the products that I use down below, especially this hairspray because it's such a nice lightweight like oil sheen spray. It doesn't leave your hair greasy or oily, almost like a dry oil spray. And then I'll also list the link for the unit that I'm wearing and all of UNice's hair information down below. I'm team clip your hair on, whether it be clip-ins or a U-part wig. If you have a braid down, I'm forever like with the braid down, the install will be perfect. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.